Okay, we're here at the Leaky Tiki, room 1441F. Let's see who's inside. Hi there.
Welcome.
Welcome.
What's it again?
Let me show you around.
Welcome. I'm going to show you around.
Okay, you're going to show me around. You're going to be my tour guide?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me where to go. I'm not taking pictures. It's a movie.
I show you the places.
Yes, tell me where the place is.
This is the bathroom. And go.
What's in the bathroom? Show me everything.
Oh yeah. This is the bathtub. And these are the towels. And this is the toilet. And
What do you do on the toilet?
you poop with it.
Okay.
And
Keep
wash your
going.
hands.
Wash your hands. Good. All right, where else?
Yeah, show you around here. Bedroom.
Whose bedroom is this?
It's all of us.
Okay.
And that is my DS.
It's your DS. Show us the closet. Very nice. All right.
And this is our clothes.
Very good. Okay. Pillows are up there.
Let me show you if you're on the TVs.
Okay.
Here is like the TV. And here is the big TV.
Oh, you forgot to show me the kitchen. And the washer and dryer.
The kitchen.
What do you have in the kitchen?
It's a sink. You wash your hands, and it's food. And it's a. Okay, and there is a.
Microwave?
Yeah, and there is a fridge.
Okay.
And the last thing I'm going to show you.
I'm going to say the washer and dryer. The washing machine and the dryer. Where's that?
And here.
Cool.
And this stuff is finished, right? And this is the light.
Okay.
And it's used in it's a living room. Here's the TV.
Who's that?
Daniel. And this is my dad.
What's going on over here?
Eating some mango.
Look at the mango.
Yeah, buddy.
This is pretty bad. This is
What else, Matthew?
this is really.
And here I'm going to go to the water. And I'll show you out here. Come in. Now here are things and so much smoke in here.
Shh.
And here is 4 tables, so 4 tables could go here. And here is the cheese. And you could select the cards.
All right. And say, there's your tour. Thank you for joining me.
This is our toy. Thank you for joining me.